is it like to work in the Vision Pro? It's an astonishing experience for anyone who loves tech gadgets. This video will dive into the latest technology that Apple introduced to us with a first-hand experience of this fascinating gadget. Watch until the end of the video to learn more interesting features about Vision Pro. To start using them, the head straps need to be adjusted. The pre-attached solo knit headband feels like a padded ski goggle head strap, stretching around the back of a head and tightening with a knob on the side. It's comfy at first, but after half an hour, the headset feels heavy and pushes in on a cheek a bit. The Vision Pro is studded with cameras and sensors. Multiple cameras on the outside, a LiDAR sensor and true depth camera, which the iPhone uses for front-facing cameras and Face ID scans, infrared sensors, and more cameras underneath, and extra eye-tracking cameras and sensors on the inside. There are no controllers. Every interaction is done with the eyes and hands, or via speaking to Siri using the built-in microphones. Hand and eye tracking even work in the dark. Light is needed for room tracking, but not for hand tracking. The first thing that stood out about the Vision Pro in the demo was the quality of the displays. The 4K resolution per eye, micro OLED display tech Apple uses, is basically the Retina moment for VR and AR. It's vivid, richly colored, HDR, and just stunning. Not only is it good enough for movies, something Apple is touting constantly, but it's better than any TV. There are limits though. Apple isn't specifically confirming the field of view, but it feels a bit smaller than the Meta Quest 3. The headset's refresh rate is generally around 90 Hz, but can go up to 100 Hz. Some VR headsets can do 120 Hz, but the Vision Pro looks great for film and video, and seems fine for games so far too. This type of super high-res display works through some cognitive magic. At the moment, the closest thing to a killer app the Vision Pro has is its cinema-level video playback. That's a hard sell for a $3,499 headset, but it's worth going for a demo and seeing it. It'll probably be just so stunning. Movies can float in a room like hovering TVs, or be placed in a virtual cinema mode. Apple's also working on its own 180-degree immersive video format for Apple TV+, with a series of shows and programming coming. The built-in speakers on the Vision Pro also sound great, good enough to appreciate a film. The speaker buds are open, angling down to aim at the ears, similar to Meta's Quest headsets, and can be heard by others in the room. There are plenty of video providers that are already on Vision Pro, including Peacock, Disney+, Paramount+, Mubi, and the NBA. Netflix and YouTube are noted no-shows, but it's easy enough to play them in the Safari browser, similar to using a laptop. Only one video window plays at a time right now. The virtual keyboard also isn't designed for entering large amounts of text. It works in a pinch to enter a username or passcode. The two ways to use a virtual keyboard, pecking at each key or looking at each key and pinching it, is too slow for writing. If the user needs to enter lots of text as fast as possible, using a wireless Bluetooth keyboard is a must. Or it's easy to pair the Apple Magic Keyboard with Vision Pro. It can also be paired with a Keychron Q1 Max mechanical keyboard, and it can work perfectly. But Vision Pro doesn't work with a Bluetooth mouth, only the Magic Trackpad. The Vision Pro's battery pack, plugged in during longer movies, will work for between 2 and 3 hours of use from a single charge. And no support for multiple users means shared use at home isn't possible the way it is with a Mac or iPad. Thankfully, there's at least one way the Vision Pro can be more connected to others, through viewing immersive videos captured with an iPhone 15 Pro, 15 Pro Max, or another Vision Pro. Probably people don't need to buy this right now, but it's huge, expensive, and very much a first-generation product. But it's also a glimpse at a new way of living with technology. Soon, a lot of people could find it helpful if they get past some inherent weirdness. Will the Vision Pro be the first step toward modern spatial computing and mixed reality? Maybe. What really makes the Vision Pro seem futuristic isn't the display or the apps. It's the input. Eyes and hands. Other headsets have eye tracking and hand tracking, but none have the combination working as smoothly, subtly, and intuitively as the Vision Pro. Thank you all for staying with us. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more tech updates. Until next time.